Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome to Top Trading Edge. All the streams should be live on YouTube, Discord, and on Twitter. If you guys can check the sound quality, make sure there is no staticking. If anybody, let me know. I'm gonna go to the disclaimer before we start the video. This video is for education purpose only, not recommending you to buy or sell any sort of stock or investment. For your financial advice, please consult with a professional financial advisor. Make sure you do your due diligence before you enter into any of your trade. It could be very risky. You can lose your entire portfolio. It's very risky. Okay, I'm going to start adding people, the speakers, TQ speakers. Alrighty, so let me setting up the screens. Meantime, okay. Just let me know the sound quality on YouTube and all. That would be great help. If anybody can let me know. Alright, so guys, today will be a great play. We're gonna take a look at the market. Actually, today market might rebound. I'm thinking probably that could happen also. That could be a setup based on yesterday, whatever the event happened. But again, we will see how things are rotating. So maybe today could be a good play to watch Facebook. I think we have the Facebook here, and we also need to watch. Let me see. We need to watch Snap. Google also, we have the Google. Yeah, Google we have. Google might be a good watch also, guys. Might they rebound? Google might be. I don't know. We'll see if they opens up the low of the day or where exactly heads, and based on that we're gonna keep eyes on it. Yeah, Amazon has a downward pressure right there. So altogether, guys, there's a lot of things are happening around in the market. Where you saw yesterday earning came out. The earning was for the Best Buy, nothing, right? We could not gain anything on it. Then autos and also right now $2-3 down. So nothing gain on that. All right, market opens up in 1 minute. All right.
Good morning, Josh. If you'll make Tony and I your co-hosts, we'll help coordinate your speakers again today.
Thank you. Okay. Market opens up in a few seconds. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Angel. Good morning, Angel. Yep, today we are live on Discord, streaming live too, so people will be able to see that on the Discord. So yeah, I'm sharing my screen on Discord. Where a market opened up, and let's see what exactly happening here. VIX is down, QQQ going down. Okay, let's see that. QQQ going down. Market is just turning different direction. Let's see. Okay. Dash popping up. Okay. QQQ has a pressure downward. SPY still holding right there. And QQQ has a pressure. Let's see. VIX is popping, 20, 90, 30. Oh, wow, look at the QQQ, guys. Look at that QQQ. There's something is happening here. So look at Amazon, Google. Look at the Google, guys. Look at that Google pressure. Look at that. That means Google has a lot of things cooking right there, Google, man. Google has a pressure.
Google is a waterfall like you would normally say it is.
Yep, Google has a waterfall right now. So yep, people are taking profit probably. Amazon is 30% up. Okay, Amazon is bouncing. Okay. Yep, everything trying to bounce. Let's see what happens.
Close my stop for 660 in profit per contract.
Nice. Okay, so guys, take a look at it. All this situation were happening. VIX is going down, guys. VIX is going down. Okay, the QQQ wants to bounce back. QQQ wants to bounce back. Okay. Alrighty, so pressure is what? AVGO is still holding. Okay. Okay. Google has a pressure downward, guys. Right? You see that UPST broke the floor, guys. UPST broke the floor. So keep eyes on that. Is UPST gonna go down? Pressure is downward on that one. Microsoft is popping. So that's why QQQ going up. Let's see. There is a resistance here. Amazon. We are watching Amazon also. We're gonna keep eyes on here. Amazon has the floor right here. That's the support area. So keep eyes on that. Oh wow, look at AVGO now going. Baby wants to go AVGO, which is my AVGO right there. Let's see. Support area is right there, guys. Okay, AVGO support is right there. If somebody is holding, Apple is still holding right there, getting ejected a little bit. Apple is right there. Oh wow, Apple has a very long down there support, but we might go a little smaller support, and then we'll see what market wants to do. Microsoft getting ejected from this right resistance area. You saw that. Amazon is going down. Amazon is about to test the floor, guys. Amazon is testing the floor. Google is still LOD. Google has a downward pressure. Microsoft CRSP. Okay, yeah, Google has a pressure a little bit. Wow, look at that. AVGO. When is the NVIDIA earning, today or tomorrow?
I believe it's tomorrow after hours. And Sigma, I'm trying to add you as a speaker. You may have to leave and come out because it's not letting you connect.
Oh yeah, we had a lot of time yesterday. Many people got kicked out by Twitter. 5 times, 7 times happened like that too. So be careful. Sometimes getting rejected. Alright, SIGA is going to the below 10, guys. So right there is 965. So those who are in SIGA should be printing too. You know, always take your money and run. See guys, right now still just holding right there. Is nothing, anything on it. Okay, so because we choose not out of the money call puts, that's why. Okay, let's see what exactly happening here. Carvana is printing. Okay, that's good.
Hey Josh, what is the support line for Google, if there is even one?
Google?
Uh-huh.
Okay, a lot of static coming out when somebody told, yeah, NVIDIA going down, guys. Wow, look at that. A lot of pressure downward. Hold on a second. Yep, we are about to break. AVGO broke the floor. AVGO broke the floor. Google, okay, let me take a look at the Google. A lot of people are holding Google, man. Let's see what happens. So Google, no, we have, if you want to take a look at the support, which is right there, I think market might go that area, but not today, maybe, I don't know, maybe go, may not, but the next support is right there, way far at $2,000, right there, and then there's a gap down here, so market might go to $2,000, and then there's a gap here, and they're gonna set up a trap, because this is the cheese, remember, gap is the cheese for the mouse trap, and then they make a U-turn, and all the bear will be here sitting, and then you know it could happen that could be the games can be played. That's what I'm assuming. It doesn't mean that's gonna happen, but we have to always look at all the parameters, and that's what we teach here. So
what's the game you think?
the game is super duper down right now. Look what is happening on it. Okay, so let's see what exactly happening here. Market pretend to go down, guys, you know, pretend, you know, never know, man. So wicks are popping right now, and the market can bounce later on too, so we're gonna keep eyes on wicks also and see what exactly wicks, how far wicks goes. The QQQ has a downward pressure because market is, you know, market is smelling right now. SPY has a gap here at right, no, there is no gap much actually, around 389 SPY. So Google is down, Amazon is still testing the floor. Our UPST, man, perfect. UPST short yesterday, remember guys? UPST was here 45, now it's 38. AVGO broke the floor. A lot of pressure on the tech stock today going to be. Tech stock has a lot of pressure. QQQ short. QQQ has a lot of short area. So if I want to analyze QQQ, let's see. QQQ is going down, and the floor is right there at 284. 284 is the area to watch on your QQQ. So VIX is flying. QQQ. Okay, market is there. We're gonna keep eyes on it, see what happens here. Activity. Okay.
The DXY is popping the dollar, which is versus the market now. So, and before it wasn't.
NVIDIA earning. I wanted to see NVIDIA earning is on May 25th, which is tomorrow. Okay, not today. Gotcha. So let me take a look at the SPY. What SPY is doing? SPY still has a long way to go. Okay, let me see the SPY 5 minutes. What exactly SPY is doing? SPY has support right here, guys. 389.65. SPY can test 389.75 here. That's the SPY. Okay, let's see, market is still trying to bounce. Okay. Alright, QQQ getting rejected. Okay. Ticks are trying to turn positive. Ticks are trying to, guys. Okay, watch out now. Ticks are going little upwards now. Slightly going from down to up. Unit market open up, but let's see how far it holds. QQQ has the pressure. Let me see the pressure here. AVGO technology has the pressure. So QQQ would have the pressure. See how far it holds. And I mean, somehow I feel market going to be positive today, but you know, it wants to go down right now. Look at that. Check what market does today. Market is bouncing. Okay. Okay. Time to bounce. Market is bouncing. Ticks are taking positive. Let's see how far this holds. And QQQ is turning positive. Divergence coming in towards upwards. Let's see if it is getting rejected here or not. Keep an eye on it. Okay. Same thing. Amazon is bouncing. Pretty much everything trying to bounce.
Looks like the bounce is getting rejected.
Yep, the ticks are turning negative, so we'll see. SPY is also negative. Let's see. Yep. It's going,
Next stop for the QQQ, I have 285.41. I entered, this is my first time doing this, Josh. I'm entering a QQQ put for June 17th.
June 17th for overnight?
Well, if I get a difference today, I'll take some.
Okay, safety. Gotcha. Okay. Alright, gotcha. Well, the ticks are still turning positive, so watch, be careful, guys. Okay. Let's see what exactly market does. The pressure, market has a pressure. Google has a pressure right there. Still is holding at that area. You know, so Google has a pressure. Market is testing the floor a little bit. Okay.
Trader Tony, what are you in right now?
I'm slowly sold a ton of my Amazon puts, and I sold my Google 2100. I re-entered a little bit of a cover for a Google 2200 call for next week, but that's more looking out, so I'm okay to take down. I'm still holding my Tesla puts, but I will exit shortly. I'm not holding for too much longer.
So you're using this morning to scale out?
Completely. Well, these are new positions. Everything I do, so all of these are the positions I opened yesterday.
Gotcha.
So I haven't been holding yet. So I'm holding NVIDIA 160 put, so that's in the money now from yesterday. I was down. I had Netflix 175 waiting for that target. And AVGO Broadcom 500 is the target, and Amazon is still holding some additional 2,000 is the target.
And you're anticipating a bear market rally next week?
No, that was specific to Google 2200. All the calls came in because they have to hold it by the 27th of the 3rd. And while Google is suffering, there's still been heavy. I think I saw $1 million come in today on 2200 for June 3rd. So it's specific to that for the split.
Gotcha.
Okay, I just took the profit 20% on Amazon. Yeah, the yesterday puts I bought.
Nice.
Let's see. Microsoft has a pressure downward right there. Okay, that's QQQ. Pressure downward. Apple has a pressure. Broke the floor. Apple, guys, look at that. So Apple just broke that too. So QQQ puts.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
And
Yeah.
on my screen right now, Microsoft
Mm-hmm.
needs to hold or close below this 258.
Yep. Amazon is also has a pressure down. Okay.
If we get this close below the, there we go.
Here we go. Yep. Amazon. Look at Apple broke. So guys, Apple. Remember, Apple has a weakness, so that can print. Apple is right now is going. Yep.
Oh yeah.
Baby wants to go.
That Microsoft wants to fight a little bit though.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Go Microsoft, go.
Microsoft Go, yeah.
It comes down and then this might be it here.
Okay. Oh wow, the Beyond Meat was 99% loss on my option B triggered, but we had a safety, and now it all of a sudden shows up. My loss is covered almost 80%. Can you believe that?
Nice.
No, that was a like swing trade, Sigma. It was
It was down 99% and then it came back.
yeah, it's very funny on a Beyond. It still has a Lotto place, just a Lotto play it was, so
Yeah.
I left it there. So, but Apple guys looking super duper weak guys. Apple short today. QQQ put is great, working out great guys, absolutely. And SPY is testing the floor. SPY is about to test the floor, which is 391 on the profile session. QQQ has a crazy pressure down there, so beautiful. Look at that. QQQ puts are printing right now. QQQ puts must be printing, and Amazon is printing guys. Look at that. Amazon, look at that. Amazon is going down crazy.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
I'm in QQQ puts for today and June 16th, 17th.
Nice. Great.
Tequila girl, are you swinging any puts?
Oh, she has a lot.
I actually have a couple of Googles, some Tesla, and some Amazon, which one of my Googles was I bought in at 15. It's sitting at 47 right now.
Wow, you the girl, man. She is printing, guys. I'm telling you that. That's excellent. Good job.
Good job.
Good
Yeah,
job. Really great job.
I will probably sell everything today, and not hold anything just in case it
Yep,
takes a turn
absolutely.
later today or tomorrow.
We're wicking down. It looks like we want to touch that 285.41. So that on the QQQs, that's my mark that we need to break.
Yep.
Hey Josh, I got my eyes on a possible earnings play. I just want your opinion on something. It's called MMYT. Their balance sheet to me looks absolutely awful. So I'm just wondering what your opinions are.
Just give yourself time. MMYT is it's horrible. It's horrible. They're gonna go down. I mean, the market is testing at $25 is overvalued. MMYT. I'm not gonna go to the screen to show you. The reason behind it is the morning hours, so I'm trying to, stay away from it. But yeah, absolutely. So VIX is guys popping. Look at the VIX pop, guys. Look at that VIX pop. Ticks popping and VIX popping, man. I can't imagine that.
Hey, Jean, for the first hour and a half, we just want to do the live trades, but then when zombie hours kicks in, I'm sure he'll have time. Should check it out.
Yeah, no worries. My bad.
No, that's fine. Okay. Man, okay, let's see. Okay, market is oh wow, VIX is still popping, guys. VIX is still popping. SPY is testing the floor, profile session floor. QQQ has a lot of downward pressure. Look at that, is breaking out. And ticks are still trying to climb up, guys. So I don't know what exactly happening here, man.
I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna send you guys a photo of the what I have here. This 241 of this breaks, I'm telling you, we can get down to like 280.
Just put your on a nest. Put it on nest.
Okay.
Nest. Okay, that's good.
Anyone still holding on to your Baba puts?
Baba.
285. When did you enter your Baba puts, John? I wasn't here for that.
Oh, I entered yesterday, and they're pretty green right now. Well, I mean, if you pretty much took puts yesterday, you're pretty much green today, I guess.
Great. Okay.
With the exception of Best Buy that missed everything yet, I guess.
Yeah, that's
they
crazy.
don't want it to drop. Yeah, it's insane.
I want to play, but that IV is still too high for me to want to enter.
Yeah, it's I don't know why it's moving up as crazy. It's that the way it's moving is as if they beat everything.
Is Best Buy a meme stock? Do you guys know?
No.
Does it
I
have
didn't think it was, but it seems like it's about to become one based on the way it's moving.
Best Buy, meme stock no more, guys. They don't have the money. Meme people don't have the money left now. Everything is gone. Whatever they had it in crypto, everything washed out. Nobody has money to pump and dump now. That time has gone.
So why is it moving up, Josh?
Oh, that's market maker games. They are just they're just playing the games right now. So anything what we expect is the opposite they're gonna do.
Got it. Okay.
Meme, forget about it. They all lost. They lost in Luna. They lost it in Bitcoin. They lost in Ethereum. Everywhere they lost. On cryptos, NFTs, everywhere they lost.
I see.
Yeah.
Hey Tony, how are your square puts doing? I know you were averaging down yesterday, right? You must be pretty green if you did.
I'll be honest with you, Jung. I didn't even look at Square today.
Oh, dude, it's down to $77 right now.
Oh, so I'm in the money then, because my put was $80. Let me see. Take a look. Yeah.
Okay, I put it in the nest, everybody. If you see that 285.41, as soon as that breaks, it's right at the top of my volume profile node, and if that breaks, there's basically no volume there.
It's only up 30%, Jung. Not much. The move isn't there yet. I'm still waiting. It's for July. I'm waiting for something bigger.
Getting a bullish divergent right now.
We have the resistance price of control line is right here, 392.36 on SPY. So that resistance, let's see if get rejected. Yep, the ticks are turning down. And Carvana is printing. Carvana. Carvana went to $27 today. So those who are holding that put should be in the money now. $30 put. Here we go. MSTR is testing 191, and if that breaks, then go to 170. MSTR looking weak. MSTR. Those who are in MSTR, keep eyes on it. UPST is beautifully weak right now. Amazon is also looking weak. Microsoft is also looking weak. Apple is also looking weak right now. Okay, then let me take a look at here. Oh wow, so SIGA looking weak. Facebook is still looking weak. ARKK looking weak. NVIDIA is looking weak. Oh guys, we had a ARKK puts. Okay, let's see what's going on. Oh wow, yep, ARKK is printing, guys. Oh man, we have long way to go. ERKK, look at the ERKK pressure. Alright, wicks popping up. Still wicks is holding down, didn't pop anything crazy, so okay, let's see what's going on here. Wicks, oh wow, SPY broke the 391 area, guys, right now. That's divergent going pointing down. Let's see if it is really true or not. Though trying to bounce, the ticks are turning positive. I mean, going to upwards, trend is going upwards. Man, look at this. Okay, so ticks are turning positive, so this could be the floor, guys. This could be a probably for. Keep eyes on it just to analyze it. We feel the MACD is kissing to the signal line right there. Let's see if any divergent down or upwards. We're gonna keep eyes on the ticks. The pressure still, QQQ has a pressure right there below the price of control line. Price of control line is now resistance on QQQ. So well, but SPY is testing the floor.
If you see it, it's fighting that 285.41.
Yeah.
And wick below it a little bit. Once we get that close, it'll be game over, I think.
We have to be very careful at 390.39 on SPY, guys. 390.39, $390, 39-cent area. Very careful on your positions, any positions you have.
390.30, 39.
Yep.
There's a super strong support there, right?
Yeah, that's the previous day low. Always remember, previous day low is very, very important to analyze. You know, market can touch down and go. You know that. I mean, I don't want to scare people, but I mean, I'm looking at the Microsoft, looking at the Apple. It's looking like super weak to me, right there. So, I'm gonna keep eyes on those. Microsoft just broke the floor, guys. So guys, lot of weakness. Look at that. Microsoft just broke the floor, and Apple is about to go test the floor. So, and Google is also taking the floor off. Google is also trying. So Google, Microsoft, and Apple wants to go. QQQ gonna go with it. That's it, guys. Go right there, bang. Yep, broke the floor.
390.31, right?
Yep, divergent 390.39. Okay, right here.
Got it.
This area to be watchful. Right here, this is our support, super strong support, guys. Okay, if that breaks, then only. Otherwise, it can be dirty games, guys. Watch out, market makers. They're gonna change the direction. We never know. Pressure is downward on QQQ a lot today.
Oh yeah.
VIX is popping down. VIX just popped.
Okay, we just broke that line on the QQQs, and then right now there's not much until about 283.50.
Absolutely, everything is, look at the NVIDIA, everything, look at that right now. Is the pressure on it. So it's like giving up all these So guys, always put your price trigger whenever the market going down. You don't need to take profit, don't, just taking profit and stuff like that, guys. So that way you don't have to worry about something that, hey, what happened. Somebody wanted to short the DXCM short good with the buyout. Right now when market going, man, look guys, short Apple, short Microsoft. That's what I can tell you. It's going down. He's gonna Microsoft now gonna go and test this area. Okay, that's what I can tell you. Microsoft is going to test 253, and Apple going to test. You got to short where the monies are, guys. Okay, and Apple is going to test 137.64. That's where the monies are, guys. And I told yesterday UPST, look, those who are shorted UPST, they could have been minting money right now. UPST was the perfect short. Those are the great money right now. It's like printing.
Josh, when you make 20% on your swing plays in the first 30 minutes.
I'm not a percentage guy, Sigma. You asking wrong guy. I don't go by percentage. I go by whatever the technical shows me support and how far it goes, and then I
want to finish this out.
I'm sorry. Yeah, go ahead.
Volume, but I'm saying, if you enter a swing play, but you make a certain percentage in the first day of it, and it's like a month out, you're gonna sell half of it, or
yeah. I don't wait for half or this. Sometimes I sell everything. I sell everything because I don't want to keep eyes on 100 places. I want to keep eyes on limited because I also have to keep eyes on this live stream, right? That's my priority. So I try to minimize my trade and keep eyes on trade. The running commentary is important to give you guys. So because many people play big guys, believe me, when they play big, and when they play big, man, I don't want people to lose anybody's money. I don't want people to lose any money.
Tony, you're still in the Google? You're in the Google calls, right?
The 2200, yeah, those are for next June 3rd, yeah. But I'm also still playing the 2100 puts. I exited around 2090 and then bought another one.
Okay.
So I'm playing both sides.
Alright guys, watch out now. SPY just tested the floor. Okay, just watch out a little bit. Though there is nothing going on, VIX is flying super duper high. No doubt about everything. Is just excellent going in that direction. The pressure is still downward. Let's see what exactly happening. Keeping an eye on everywhere. What is Carvana? Wow, Carvana is going down. Pega going down. MSTR broke the floor. MSTR broke the floor, filling the gap now. 170.
Josh, it looks like it broke your line.
Yeah, yeah. No, not yet. I mean, we are right there. It's right there, 390, 39 area, right there. You see this mark right now? So, yeah, we're there, not that far. So we are right there. Be careful, guys, to take money and run or not. That's the critical area. Critical area, guys. Okay. Still, Apple, we have a pressure downward. So let's see. Still, Apple has a pressure downward. Still has a pressure down on Microsoft. They might go.
We broke it.
Yep. So yep, I'm watching those stocks too. Yep, ticks are is just is a critical support area, but want to break, guys. Okay, it's want to break. The way it look like the MACD is pointing downwards. Is want to break, and VIX is flying high. That is confirming that wants to go. And Apple is also pointing more down. Microsoft is pointing more down, guys. I hope people can print the money right on these. The Apple, those are the bigger stake in the QQQ, which is Google, Apple, Microsoft, and yep, going.
Tequila Girl, did you sell your Best Buy or you still have it? No, I still have it. It's one of those manipulated games. So
Manipulated
I have a couple weeks on it.
I literally thought that was you, Tequila Girl, talking to yourself, and you didn't have your mic on.
No, those two, they do coordinate each other. If Tequila goes, then she goes, then Tequila thinks. Both are trading very well. Coordinated trade. then Danduri, Josh is the best analyst in this bear market. How do you watch my words on bull market? I'll show you. Bull market, man. I go with any direction, man. I can go with any direction. I can find the direction and then give you the direction, and you enjoy the ride.
Yeah, Josh, you need to stick around. That's why we need you to stick around, man. Like, we gotta experience a bull market with you.
Yeah, let's see now. I don't know. We'll see. Try my best. Okay, so Apple is little bit right now breathing in this, but the Amazon has a lot of pressure, man. Amazon has the pressure right now. Yep, Amazon has the pressure, and MSTR also. Okay, right there, Pega right there. Okay, market trying to little bit bounce, and let's see what happens. Okay, keep an eye on it. Still the pressure is downward on Apple. Apple has a support area right here, 137. That's the critical area. SPY is trying. The Amazon has a pressure downwards, solid pressure downward. Amazon. Yeah. VIX is still popping, right? Look at the VIX, guys. 29.94 VIX. Oh yeah, previous day. Still we did not reach that price. Okay, market is trying to bounce. Divergent coming in. Let's see, man. Divergent coming in. QQQ has found the support, guys. So watch out. Let's see how much the pressure is downward. Wow, still pressure downward, huh? Okay.
I sold all of my my scalp plays.
Nice, you sold it. Good, good. How much percentage profit?
I got in the contract at $2.80, and I sold between $4.20 and $4.
Wow, man, that's crazy, crazy, man, crazy money, Sigma. Good job, man.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
I'm happy.
Good job.
Still holding my June 17th though.
Understand. Carvana are going to test the floor, guys. Right here, CVNA. Look at the floor. I'm going to show you something interesting. Those who are holding the puts, you see that floor is about to test whenever 2160 at some point of time soon.
I have next stop on the Qs. Like, we're gonna hit this 283.50, and then next stop is 282.06.
Okay, guys, SPY has a downward pressure, guys. Okay, the look like we took the floor, and if I go to my 30 minutes and look at this price of control line, we are right there. We have a room to go 388.63, 388.63, guys. SPY 388.63. Keep in mind that's the next support area. If that goes, then bang, then we're gonna go all the way to 380, guys. If this breaks, keep it in mind. If this goes,
What's your line?
388.72 breaks that area, then bang, SPY gonna go down all the way. Man, it will be a solid game today. Alrighty, so and look at that, SPY just took that damn thing out. You know, it looked like a lot of pressure, and look at the VIX just pop. Look at the VIX pop just now, and VIX is right there. It looks like market wants to don't want to wait for Jerome Powell, man. Market does not want to wait for Jerome Powell, it looks to me.
I think Powell's gonna save the market later.
You're right.
Yeah, I do.
Does
He lead down
he talks today?
Yeah.
2 o'clock, I believe.
Yep.
Okay, yeah.
Is it 2 o'clock or 12 o'clock?
2 o'clock. Nobody talks during lunchtime. I don't think.
So that would be 2 hours before market close, right?
It's always the same time. It's always
It's
2 p.m.
2 o'clock Eastern, right, Tony?
Yeah, and again, guys, nobody cares about the rest. Sorry. It's only Eastern always.
Look at these guys.
Just kidding.
News yesterday. BlackRock downgrade U.S. stocks as the world's largest asset manager sees growing risk at the Fed rate hike will trigger a recession. So this is BlackRock. They are bleeding right now, and I'm sure they know what to play. They know how to play the games with the market, bear and bull. But yeah, this is the BlackRock coming out. They normally don't come out and say like this. BlackRock is the biggest asset. They have $13 trillion, guys. $13 trillion. Okay, so market is trying to bounce. Ticks are trying to bounce. VIX is still holding over there.
I got a question. Okay, so I'm still learning here. I don't really know what I'm doing yet, but I bought a put debit spread for Tesla, 665 and 620. At what point does it become more beneficial for me to sell? Like, should I sell when it before?
How much profit do you have right now? What's the profit you have right now?
Let's see. I'm up 94% today. 49% total.
49% total. So today, okay, and your Tesla is, you said you have a debit spread on it?
Yes.
Oh, spread on it. Spread, okay, then you, spread right now, we are testing the floor right now. So I would take the money and run right now. I would take the money and run, and then whatever it happens, though the pressure is downward, guys, okay? If you want, when is your expiry date?
Friday.
This Friday?
Yeah.
Okay, I mean the Tesla man is has a lot of pressure downward, just to let you know. But if you think you are afraid, then take the money. But bottom line, absolutely gonna go down. So Tesla, if you want to, the way this channel, look at this channel right now. Draw this right. This channel, you can see my channel or not on your computer.
No, I just mean I wonder which point does it start paying out more to the 620 put than I'm getting from the 665? I mean, I guess it never does. But is there a point where it becomes more beneficial to sell?
Yeah, absolutely, because when you go downward, the gamma will the stock goes downward, which is 620 radius. So right now we are testing 634. Imagine if that goes to down 630. And then you'll benefit a lot more because the price is very close to your strike price. Then the person who bought it, he will be vulnerable. The gamma will be playing very soon because of today's Tuesday. Maybe tomorrow he'll be dead by the time. So absolutely, you printing right now. Print 5-minute charts. You are at the major support area. That's what I can tell you right now. You are at the major support area. For intraday. Okay, remember intraday for today only. I'm just analyzing for today. And it comes to tomorrow, the game is different. Whatever would be right now, we are major support area right there. And I would take the money if I were you, because you're profitable. Then always market gives opportunity to enter again in another trade. So that's how I teach, because pressure is downward. So it's up to right now. I'm teaching right here. If you take a look at it, pressure is downward. I guess it's gonna break Tesla. Oh boy, look at that, guys. Look at the pressure. Look at that right now. Look at that. Look at the big red candle on ticks, guys. Look at the QQQ spike just broke, and I'm waiting for the VIX to spike. Look at the VIX just spiked. The VIX just spiked right now. Look at that VIX, guys. So Tesla, guys, if you want to look at this area right here, when 628 area, 638 area, if that breaks that floor, man, bang, you know what, I'll tell you right now. Okay,
Josh, just as you said that, $1 million plus puts earlier coming in at the 620 market for Tesla for the same.
Yeah, baby just broke. Baby just broke the floor. Yeah. Baby just broke the floor on Tesla. So you just enjoy your ride, man. And look at the pressure. Enjoy the pressure.
I am mesmerized by Amazon and Google's moves.
Yep. Look at that, man. Crazy. Great, guys. Okay, so good. Going good, guys. Actually, absolutely going good on that. Okay.
Thank you.
No problem. Anytime. First time here, right?
I think so.
Boone's been around on the after hours too lately, so hopefully
I
we hear
came
more
to
from him.
theirs last night, yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. Cool.
A Fed downgrades the chance of a half-point hike in September. Does that mean a larger hike?
Discord, 1 second. Hold on. Hold your thoughts. What did you say, Tony?
The Fed's swaps downgraded the chance of a 50-point basis hike in September. Does that mean they're increasing it to a larger than 50 point? They just came out right now.
Somebody says smelling something. That's the reason this sell-off is going on. The way these movements are going on today, I think they are smelling something. And the Jerome Powell now is gonna put a gasoline on a fire probably today when he comes in. Maybe that could be the case, and that's why he's coming probably. That could be the case. I'm just guessing. Okay.
Gasoline or water?
Gasoline on a fire, dude. He's gonna burn this market down. But
I thought you guys were saying you think he'll put an end to this.
No. He wants to. Guys, I'll tell you. Like I was couple of spaces yesterday trying to understand these big guns are. They have 2,000 people listening to them. So I was just browsing around few things, and then I noticed, man, look, what happened? People are talking about right now. I just took my profit on AVGO, guys. AVGO put I was holding. I just get out of that. I sold 80% profit on AVGO. I'm out, guys. Okay, so what they were talking about is like, hey, what is the bottom? What's gonna happen? And blah blah blah. People are talking about it, and I guess people do not know the floor. People do not know the floor, guys. They think it is bottom out or not bottom out. Man, we know the bottom. We know the bottom.
I don't know how realistic it is. We tested it today, but there's a major support at 277 on the QQQs.
Mm-hmm.
If that breaks, that'll be
so what, like I told you guys here, Tesla bouncing, but let me see SPY. Okay, so SPY, what did I say, man?
But when they say downgrading the half a point, I mean, doesn't that mean that maybe they're gonna do less?
Well, I was thinking that too, that it could be the way, it could mean less likely to do 50, that's it, not less likely to do 50 and will do less. Like, it's just less likely that they're sticking to that.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
That's what I think.
But it could be more. If less likely to stick to it doesn't mean to go less. It literally could mean to go more. That's probably, most inferences is more, not less right now, because there's nothing to show that we've even reached what they need. We're still at the high end. So it wouldn't make sense for them to say we're going to do even a less move. I think it's implying more.
Okay, so guys, somebody is asking me DXCM. DXCM is broke the floor. The person who's asking me on Discord, DXCM. Remember we were talking about DXCM. So DXCM broke the floor on a daily chart. If you take a look at it, it's beautiful. Exactly, that's what it's been doing, DXCM. Because remember we noticed about 32 cent EPS, and it was what, for $500. Now look, it's going in where it belongs. So yep, good. Those who enter in DXCM, man, they are printing right now. It's beautiful. Look at their earning, horrible. 32 cent is gonna go to $200 stock. DXCM gonna go to the downhill, and it's gonna have a lot of more room to go. Tony, keep eyes on this one, man. I don't know you notice or not, but this has a look at that is gonna go to 150. DXCM gonna go to 150, guys. Those who are watching my screens, very very important, I'm telling you. But long term, okay, 2023.
I'm watching.
I don't want to mention anything, guys. This is not a financial advice, but believe me, man, there is a huge gap here at $183. $183 has a gap, right? So that going to be filled. Those who wants to make a lottery right here, and then right there, you see this is the gap. Okay, so that's where it's going to happen soon. When, I don't know the date, but I just tell you it's going to happen. Whenever it happens. But long run is important. So July pulls, stuff like that I would pick.
Hey Dave, how's it going?
Hey, good morning, man.
Oh, look at that superstar is here. What's up, man?
What's up?
Yeah, start.
Yeah, absolutely, man.
Have you been looking at any order flow or option flow?
The SPY is dumping and the QQQ is dumping. You all see that already by now, right?
Oh yeah, we're all in puts.
What's your target price for the QQQ, Sigma? Josh?
1 second, I'm in the middle of trade. Just a second, sorry.
No worries. Sigma, what's your target price on the QQQ?
Well, I had this 282.06, and we came down to 282.25, and then now we're getting a bounce.
Cool. Good morning, Tony.
Hey, Dave, what's up, bro?
What's up? Good morning, Tequila, girl.
Did you get into any puts, Dave?
I just came back to my computer, man.
Gotcha.
Alright, there's a divergence coming in, bullish divergence, guys. There's a bullish divergence coming in, and let's see how far it lasts. We're gonna keep eyes on it here. So let's see whatever it does here. Apple, Microsoft. Look at the floor, guys. Okay, Microsoft, Apple has a floor right now. Okay, so that's the floor. Amazon already broke the floor. Google already broke the floor, and so let me. Man, Google really a good one, right? You know, Google really printed a good one. SPY, okay, testing the floor right now.
Hey, Sigma, look at 283 in the QQQ, right? I don't think they're going to be able to cross it.
283.
Yeah, 283.
You mean to get back above it?
Yeah, I don't think they're going to cross 283. If they do, they're going to have a lot of resistance at 285. So
I think you're right, and there's not a lot of volume in that area between 280 and 285.
All right, cool.
But we need some more selling pressure to break this 282.
Yeah, with the market overall, there's a lot of puts versus call, so we are going down. Definitely going down.
Do you or anybody have the imbalance, Andy?
Tesla is bouncing. Tesla bouncing, guys. The guy who was asking me, Tesla bouncing. Everything is trying to bounce, guys. Watch out. What are your things? Okay, just to let you know, things are bouncing and super.
So I entered these June 17th puts at $9.50, and I sold them here at $12.20. So I'm out. I hit my target for the day.
Yep, people need to take the profit and run. Okay.
Hey, Sigma, I'm leaving my desk. I'm just going to be listening to you guys, okay?
Sounds good, bro.
Okay. Let's see now. QQQ time bounce. Let's see what's happening here. Apple is bouncing from the floor. Microsoft is bouncing from the floor. Amazon slowly bouncing. Man, Sega has a pressure, guys. SIGA, somebody who's holding puts, they must be printing.
Stops static in the YouTube, and what's happening is it is stopping and starting, and most of the time your voice goes in loop.
Because of Discord, man. We have like a lot of things.
Yeah, so I thought just let me join spaces to tell you this thing because yeah.
Oh boy. I think I don't know, man. Why is statiking coming in YouTube now? It's
I think the Discord video was smoother. This YouTube was never very smooth. I understand you.
Discord doesn't pay me anything. YouTube can pay me if I have million subscribers, right? So my goal is to go to YouTube. So I need a support, but again, it's like a long way to go. Boy, something very wrong with the. Okay, you said about the sound, man. I don't know. I could not fix that issue yet.
No, yeah, it's fine. I just thought I'd let you know.
Okay, let me change something real quick. Okay, see if I can solve that problem. Check now if it is some the audio quality change, anything on any improvement on it.
But it goes in and out too, right? YouTube is not working.
YouTube is not working. YouTube, because I think we don't have the follower, right? So they put it in a wrong server. They don't give us the good space because we take a lot of space on their server because we go live and 10 hours, a lot of data. So that's why they don't give a good server, and that's what probably causing. I'm assuming this is what I'm thinking probably. That could be the cause. Never know. Well, what can we do?
We just have to bring more viewers.
Yeah, people need to subscribe, guys. Those who are listening on YouTube, guys, please help us out. Subscribe on YouTube. We don't even have 1,000 followers yet.
Josh, Sigma made his money, his truckload of money, and he bounced, eh?
Oh yeah. Nice.
What are you playing today?
Asking whom?
I am playing QQQ boots, nothing much. And yesterday I had some McDonald's calls, so they are going now. Okay.
Alright, QQQ is getting rejected at the price of controller, and I'm watching at this point, and SPY did not even try the resistance, but we don't have the confirmation diversion yet from MACD, so I'm watching still very closely. Let's see what happens. Yeah, what's up? Go ahead.
Hey Josh, you might want to try YouTube Premium. I think they provide 3 months free trial, and see if you take YouTube Premium, probably they put you in better server. I'm just guessing.
Is it a paid one?
No, yeah,
YouTube, right?
but I think YouTube Premium is only for whatever what do you call for receiving it, not for.
No, I understand it's for receiving, but probably they probably have some different. It's just worth trying. I mean, like it's free for 3 months. I think.
I can add you in my account, and you can I have.
No, that's fine. No, absolutely premium account. I can just go ahead and make a premium account. That's fine. I can try that one too. Why not to try, right? Yep.
No, maybe Josh, you might just send me your email address, and I will add you into my premium account. And you will have premium for free.
Okay, no problem. I'll do that.
Hey Josh, hey, I just sent you a DM or Twitter just so you can see what it looks like on my side for the YouTube side of it, just so you can see what's happening. I can see you moving, but it's definitely a server issue.
See, right?
Yeah, on your Twitter DM,
Yeah, I'm
you
looking
can
at.
kind of people see.
I didn't get your DM yet.
Oh, you did? Let me look.
Alright, market is trying to still the VIX is popping, and the TIX is still. Let me see the TIX trend. Okay, so TIX is right now sideways actually. So if you look at the ticks right now going upwards, I think ticks are going upwards if you notice from here. Right here. I just broke the floor, guys. SPY is testing the floor. SPY is testing the floor. Look at that red candle just now coming in, testing the floor. Oh boy, look at that. And diversion coming in towards down. Let's see if that diversion is taking place or not. Let's see. There's a big chunk coming in just now. So let me take a look at the flow coming in. What other flow coming in here? Yep, puts are coming in 6. Oh man, I gotta go back to here just real quick. ETF, not this stuff.
Tesla is going down too.
Yeah. Keep an eye.
Just for the sake of it, Guru, I might go ahead and get a put too.
388, 385. Yeah, puts coming in. 388, 385. 388, 385. Guys, pressure is downward, guys. Hold your thoughts, okay? Pressure is downward, guys. We are about to break the floor. 387.19 right there. This is the session. If the blue line goes off, MACD is pointing down. Pressure is downward. Flow is coming also bearish. So if this is strong support right there. If that support break, bang, is gonna go. Look at the VIX flying high, guys. Look at the VIX. VIX wants to go right now. Don't want to wait. HOD VIX. So that means we're gonna take this floor. We're gonna take that floor. And yep, market is coming. The puts are still coming in on a SPY. Okay, this is not Tesla. This is SPY.
Josh, the 620 puts that you said came in for Tesla, what date were they for?
They were only for this week.
Oh,
I only choose for this week only because next week God knows whatever would happen, but I just wanted to choose for this week and see what happens. So the pressure is downward right now. We are testing the floor right there. Man, Airbnb is up, guys. Those who are holding Airbnb should be up 100% right now. Your portfolio on Airbnb today, 85% up. Airbnb puts are printing. Wow, look at that floor. I told you guys, look at that. It's gonna go, guys. SPY gonna go down there, down it, down. Look at that. MACD pointing down, just filled up the gas. We rejected by the resistance and taking the floor off. And ticks are also negative, and VIX is flying high right now, $31. Look at that. It's gonna go. It's going. Slowly pushing down. Look at that. We already broke that. So, yep. Look at that.
Josh, your favorite guy, Ross Gerber, just tweeted 30 seconds ago. Right now, Tesla China is looking to break production records. We expect to achieve them. So he's bullish right now and like pumping them up in the middle of this.
So he's another pawn of the Cathy Wood is like a queen, and then he's another pawn, and then the Kevin YouTubers, and those are different pawns in that chess game where people get trapped. So it's up to the people. How do you analyze that, please?
Hey, and Josh, what do you think of snow today? We got earnings this week. What do you think? You
Oh,
playing
dude,
that at all?
no, 101% snow, man. This is gonna be nice tubing, ice snow tubing. Snow. It's already we already checked the snow.
Because I'm holding a put on it. I'm thinking about selling right now.
No. Look at the floor, man. Is this floor gonna take, and you're not gonna find the rug. You might not. You will not have a the floor. The rug will be pulled, and there might not be floor, and that's what is. We are already look at that. Zero EPS. Look, that earning can be great. I'm not denying that, but look at the EPS now, and they are expecting 0 whatever. So based on this EPS, stock cannot be in 3-digit, man. It has to be in 2 digits. So always make sure you're not playing. The people are playing is not expiring this Friday. That's the safety. Always need to have that. Other than that, this is what this stock is doing. From whatever I said, from $340 is still going down. It's gonna go down.
120, it's not bad to take profit and get back in.
Oh yeah, I know, but it's just such a small amount right now.
Expiry date.
40%, but
20.
I'm in 120s.
When is the expiry?
This one is up 40%, Josh, for expiration this Friday, but I
Oh,
also
okay,
have a
okay, then.
110 one, June 17th for 110 as well.
This Friday expiry, I always know we don't want to take a risk on
Yeah.
earnings. Earnings, I always take the money on this Friday. Friday, we cannot hold anything. Market maker has the volume button. We don't have.
I have a physical disability that doesn't allow me to comfortably press sell.
Physical disability.
You need push sometimes for the sell button.
No, we are here to, man. We were here to support you how to press the button. we will help you. Look at that, guy. Look at that. Oh boy, there's a lot of downward pressure, guys. I'm telling you, a lot of downward pressure. SPY puts must be printing. Those who have many people are quiet today, but they must be on the SPY puts and printing. Man, people are not. People should come forward and discuss that what they are doing exactly today.
I sold all my puts. I have so many puts. I sold them too quick.
Did you take profit?
Oh yeah. I
Okay.
mean, on everything. I was shorting the small caps. I was shorting Nasdaq.
Wow. Let me send you tip jar.
But I got out too early.
Okay. Sounds good.
Yeah, Josh, I took profit on some Tesla puts early.
Oh, wonderful. That good, man. Good. People need to take the profit, and market gives opportunity. That's what we teach here. Profit is important. If you don't take the profit and become more greedy, man, market change direction, you never know when. So yeah, great. I love to hear people taking profit. Dave, you are end of the tunnel. We cannot hear you.
The next stop for SPY is going to be 385. If they break the 385, they go into 380 SPY. You with me, Josh?
Yeah, I'm listening. I listen what you just said. Yep, you. So my, like I said, guys, SPY gonna go to, man, if this market continue like this, man, today gonna go and test 380, man, $7 handle down. There is no support here, anything on it. I mean, these are minor support, can happen 385, which is teeny mini support right here. Okay, so that's the minor support. But other than that, it might, market has a pressure downwards today, guys. Look at that pressure. So yeah, market is exactly doing what's supposed to do.
Dow Jones Industrial Average is down almost 500 points.
Mm-hmm.
And I've got into more Tesla puts, guys.
Sim, that's not even like top 5 lowest in the last 9 days, right?
I know, right?
Wild.
I know.
That's such a big move, you know? Like,
That would be front page news.
yeah, used to be, right? Used to be.
And again, guys, though, I just want to remind you guys, I don't feel good, but I think I need to, those who are taking profits and making money, if, to support the Josh or support family, please support this community. Please use the tip jar, guys. I would highly appreciate, because that's how I can run this, because I'm not charging anybody anything. It could have been, you know, paid, but I'm trying to make it, keep it free. But remember, everybody has a paycheck coming in. I don't have paycheck coming in. I'm giving my time 10 hours a day. Everybody giving it. So use that. I need to make $10,000 a month at least to support these channels, right? So hope you understand, everybody. Those who making, those who not making money, I do not expect. I do not want any money. People who making, please support. So that way I can continue my support. I don't want to end this here, because I think YouTube gonna go a long time to make a million followers. Maybe I have to continue for about 15 years or something like that, to get the paycheck from YouTube. Until that, those who are taking benefits, support the channel, support my time, support me. I would appreciate. I don't want to keep it you know, like a paid one. I can easily go right away. People are telling me right now, but I don't want to go it. I want to keep it free. So support those who are making money, and I would appreciate, guys. The tip jar is on my profile on YouTube. Also has a description, has a tip jar link. You can click on that, use that. Also same thing on Twitter, also has a profile. You can click, there's a link on it, you can use that, and I would appreciate. So for example, you go to Twitter here, right there, you click on profile, and there's a link right here, Linktree. You say that's the link. You can go and click here, and then it brings you a lot of links. It's a Venmo, PayPal, Cash App. And you can make sure when you use PayPal, don't use like a shipping, because PayPal is asking me to ship, keep reminding me to ship something. I don't have to ship anything. So use as a friends and family to the tip jar as a friend and family. I'm not selling anything on in here, so please don't use as a regular PayPal if you're using, or you use Cash App, Venmo, whatever. But I appreciate. No force, guys, okay? But support the community, I would appreciate.
Hey Josh, quick question. Yesterday I asked you if I should be taking the 381 SPY puts expiring May 27, but I think you said something along the lines that it was a bear trap. Just wondering, what did you see on the charts that made you say that? Because the puts are now 300% up today, and I could have tipped your jar, man.
No, well, look, like, guys, remember yesterday? Remember what happened afterwards? Snap came out and they busted the whole thing. So that's the game plan they played today, and still I was thinking market going to be bullish, but what I said is we're going to go with the wind. I want to go with the wind, and that can happen too. So morning where we came out and we go with the wind, and that's what it is. And sometimes when it comes to market conditions, we have to go with the market right now. So it's very difficult.
I hear you, but isn't the general trend downwards right now? And if that's true, then doesn't it make sense to be
Oh, general, yeah, you're right. General trend is downward, and but we play every day different games. So we have a lot of, I have a lot. Everybody has a lot of position open for 17th June. Though market it can be go bullish for tomorrow, then we're gonna go like yesterday we were playing calls. Though I have a lot of puts different places. Many people have a lot of puts going on, but not expiring this Friday. Expiring 17th June, and some of them are in July. That doesn't mean that market, when market goes bullish, we play with that bull trend on that particular week or particular day. uh, but at this point market is super bearish for a longer period of time. And why? And I there is a reason behind. I described why. Because market cannot give the power back to the people. The moment stock goes up, people would have a portfolio, would have a power. When they got the power, then they're gonna go and buy, do the things in order to reduce the inflation, to bring the inflation down. They cannot give the power back to the people, and that's what's going to happen. That's why I'm saying here, market do not want to go back where market cannot go back. The moment it go back, people will have, portfolio will have the power, and then they're going to do shopping. That's the reason market will not go back. That's what people don't have the knowledge. People think it's bottom out and it's going to bounce and it's going to go up, but no knowledge what exactly this time is inflation to bring back. They have to keep it down. The spring has to keep it down. So though people have a lot of money power, lots of money power.
Hey Josh. So just adding to your point where you are saying that they want to keep market down so that people cannot have power, like money power. But do you want to also include the housing data that came out today in that equation? So what I read was the expected numbers were higher, and what the results came out were pretty much low. And that means housing market will crash, right? It's like it's going down, not necessarily crash. So if there is even lesser money in the market, the housing prices will go further down. So would that be something that Fed or government would be looking for, that they want housing to go down further? So, if you want to say anything on that.
So when we talk about the housing market, is not only the stock equity market. Money has been traveled when the $4 trillion, $5 trillion pumped into the economy, into the people's hands. Corporate and every individual got the money. So some people put it into the stock market equity. Some people put it into the housing. Some people put it into their businesses. Some people put in different areas where people go and put the money into, right? So though that money has a power, right? The money has a power, and it's not a small amount of money we're talking about. We have $4-5 trillion we pump it into this economy. So people have that power. Now how are you gonna go take the power out? You got to go in different sectors. For example, we are into equity sector where we are trading. Bond market also has a lot of power too. So that way they're gonna take that power from there. So several places they're gonna take the power. The moment people realizing my property price is going down, my mortgage is going up, my equity market, people who have a portfolio in stock market, their portfolio going down, they're not gonna go and execute their dream plans, are like buying houses or buying cars or buying renovating housings, stuff like this. Then they're not gonna go to Home Depot or doing all those kind of things. That's what is gonna happen. So
recession, you would say that?
No, I do not feel the recession, because $5 trillion is a lot giving out money to the people. So people have a lot of power. I feel a stagflation because GDP is down right now. GDP is negative. Last quarter was negative GDP, and this quarter is coming in GDP, and probably that could be negative. So they can announce that GDP is, we are in recession, but I do not think so. We are in recession, because recession, I have seen those recession where people would not have food money to go and spend. That's how it's called recession. So maybe it will take a long period of time. That's why I don't think market is bottom out or market gonna be jump and go run up. Nope, because many people don't have the knowledge. They don't have big guys. They don't have the knowledge how this economy works, microeconomy works. You have to keep the spring down, no matter what. And that's the goal. Otherwise, inflation gonna pump again. There is to bring the inflation down, they have to bring the money power down, and that's what they have to do. And it's a $5 trillion, guys. Do the math. So that's it. That's what I can tell you right now. So anybody can talk anything.
Yeah.
But
thanks, Josh.
My thesis is working, so I'm gonna stick to my thesis. If my thesis doesn't work, then I agree that I'm wrong. But if my thesis is working, then I'm not gonna change the thesis.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Josh, if you